Hey there, my friends. I'm Jocelyn, a urologist and men's health specialist with 5 years of experience. And today I want to talk to you about something that affects millions of seniors silently: muscle loss. Have you noticed your legs feeling heavier than they used to? Maybe climbing the stairs feels like an obstacle course, or walking to the mailbox leaves you winded. Perhaps lifting a grocery bag now brings more strain than it ever did. If that sounds familiar, I want you to know something important. This isn't just getting old. There's a real medically recognized condition called sarcopenia, and it quietly steals strength, mobility, and confidence. But here's the exciting part. There's a way to fight back naturally, rebuild your muscle, and walk with the ease of someone decades younger, without heavy weights, complicated gym routines, or expensive supplements. I'm going to share 3 incredible herbal teas. Yes, teas that have the science and tradition behind them to help your muscles recover, your energy return, and your steps feel lighter again. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Comment below where you're watching from and let me know which health topics you want to see next. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. We're giving away 100 free copies of my best-selling book to subscribers today, and I'd love for you to grab one. Now let's get into it. Here's the first truth I need to share with you. Muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable, and it's not just old age. Many people think that feeling weaker or struggling to get up from a chair is just something you have to accept. But in reality, your body is still capable of remarkable recovery if you give it the right support. So why does it happen? Let's break it down biologically, emotionally, and practically. Biologically, after 60, your muscle fibers naturally shrink, protein synthesis slows down, and the signals from your nerves to your muscles become less efficient. Hormonal changes, like lower testosterone and growth hormone, reduce your body's ability to repair muscle. Chronic inflammation also plays a role, subtly breaking down fibers over time. Emotionally, even small muscle loss can affect your confidence, dignity, and independence. That sudden wobble on the stairs or soreness after carrying groceries can leave you frustrated, anxious, or even embarrassed. Practically everyday tasks, walking, bending, lifting, climbing stairs, become more challenging. Your body is sending signals, and if ignored, these signals compound over time. But here's the truth you need to hear. These changes are not permanent. With the right habits, nutrition, and natural compounds, your muscles can recover, your mobility can improve, and your independence can return. Let me explain a bit more scientifically how this works. Think of your muscles like a living, breathing tissue that needs care. After 60, muscle fibers shrink, meaning each contraction is less forceful. Protein synthesis slows, making it harder for your body to rebuild muscle after even light activity. Mitochondrial function declines, leaving your cells with less energy, causing fatigue and slower recovery. The good news? Specific bioactive compounds found in certain teas can help address these exact mechanisms. They protect muscles, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and stimulate energy production at the cellular level. And here's a bonus. These teas don't just help your muscles. They improve joint comfort, reduce fatigue, and enhance walking stability. Before I show you the 3 teas, let's talk about common mistakes seniors make that slow muscle recovery. Mistake number 1, ignoring the silent muscle loss. Many think, I still walk around, I'm fine. But small losses in muscle mass, just a few pounds, can dramatically reduce stability and strength. Mistake number 2, overlooking inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation quietly sabotages muscles and joints. Pain, stiffness, and slow recovery are often blamed on age, when in fact it can be improved naturally. Mistake number 3, thinking supplements are enough. Protein powders and pills help, but without nutrient synergy, blood flow, and gentle activity, your muscles won't respond fully. Mistake number 4, inconsistency. 1 cup of tea occasionally won't do much. Daily, consistent habits are what rebuild strength over weeks and months. Mistake number 5, neglecting gentle movement. Muscles respond to activation. Even short walks, light stretching, or resistance bands combined with the teas make a huge difference. Now, let's get practical. Here's your step-by-step plan to use these teas for maximum effect. Green tea, morning, kickstarts protein synthesis, reduces muscle breakdown, and energizes your day. Pair with a short walk or gentle stretching. Turmeric tea late morning, early afternoon. Calms inflammation, enhances blood flow, and stimulates muscle regeneration. Consume with healthy fats, like nuts or avocado, to improve absorption. Ginger tea, evening, boosts circulation, oxygen delivery, and recovery overnight. Helps reduce soreness and ensures muscles get the fuel they need. Tip: drink water alongside your teas to stay hydrated. Hydration is key for circulation, nutrient delivery, and muscle flexibility. Tip: add a few minutes of gentle activity after each tea to signal your muscles to respond. This combination of nutrient-rich tea plus movement is a powerful, natural muscle-building strategy. Green tea contains EGCG, a compound that supports muscle protein synthesis. Anti-inflammatory, reduces joint stiffness. Enhances mitochondrial function. Your energy factories run more efficiently. Turmeric tea, curcumin, the active ingredient, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, improving recovery. Stimulates muscle stem cells, helping your body regenerate fibers. Supports joint comfort and smoother movement. Ginger tea. Bioactive compounds improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, reduces oxidative stress, minimizing soreness and fatigue, supports steady walking, balance, and confidence in movement. When combined, these three teas create a synergistic effect. Green tea builds muscle, turmeric tea reduces inflammation, ginger tea ensures nutrients reach your muscles. Together, they support muscle repair, joint comfort, endurance, and walking stability, a comprehensive approach to rebuilding strength naturally. Let me share a couple of examples. Mary, 68, struggled with leg fatigue and short walks. After 6 weeks of daily green turmeric and ginger tea plus light stretching, she could walk to the park with ease and felt more stable than she had in decades. James, 72, feared declining strength would limit his independence. The daily tea routine gave him more energy, reduced joint stiffness, and restored confidence. Friends noticed he moved with ease and he re-engaged in activities he had long avoided. These aren't exceptions. They're examples of what's possible when seniors adopt simple, science-backed habits consistently. Here's the thing. Muscle loss may feel inevitable, but it's not a sentence. You can reclaim strength, mobility, and independence step by step, sip by sip. You don't need a gym membership, heavy weights, or exhausting workouts. Your body responds beautifully to gentle movement and natural compounds like those in these teas. Every cup of tea is a reminder that your muscles can heal, your joints can loosen, and your energy can return. So here's your takeaway, my friends. Drink green tea in the morning, turmeric tea in the afternoon, and ginger tea in the evening. Pair with gentle movement, proper hydration, and restful sleep. Celebrate the small victories, standing from a chair, climbing stairs, walking to the mailbox. You may be over 60, but your body still remembers what it felt like at 40. Age is not the end of vitality. Every step you take, every sip of tea you drink is a step toward freedom, dignity, and confidence. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend or loved one who might benefit. Remember, you are stronger than you think, and your best years can still be ahead.